To show or hide Google Audio Playback notifications icon pages in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google services, scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, and then tap search assistant and voice, select notifications, and then tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, find audio playback, and then tap audio playback. To show Google Audio Playback notification icon pages, tap up icon pages switch until blue, or to hide, tap switch until black or until red. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.